Matt Capron here today with Hang It Display Systems. We have our asymmetrical piece here where we're going to end up putting three 4.5-inch brackets on. Bottom bracket, I want to try to get that in a stud. If there's no stud, you can use the drywall anchors. So right now I'm figuring out the angle of this piece where I want it to go. I'm just going to mark where the studs are going to be at in this direction. There's one there. We're going to hold our fish back up on this line. We're going to go level with this guy. Put a little mark right there. Our plate back. Grab our bracket. Here's our line. You know our studs in that area. Just going to cover that line up a little bit. Push our screw in a little bit. Get it stick in the drywall. All right. Now I just have one screw in there. Set our plate back up. Okay. So you can see that's pretty much supporting all the weight. So we have our other brackets, and because this isn't going to go in through the side like the other ones, we're going to go where it comes in from the top down. I want to make sure this bracket's centered. I don't want it off too far to the side. I want to kind of move our fish to where the bottom's kind of evened out. Figure out our second bracket. We'll do this side over here, and I just want to see where it's going to look good at. I'm going to take our pencil. I'm going to hit the corner so we know where it's at on both sides. So that way, when I take this off, I can line that bracket back up. Now I got our marks there on the corners of the bracket, and we're just going to cover them up just a tad. So this is going to have to be a drywall anchor. So now we're going to drill right on that mark. Then here's our plastic drywall anchor that we just picked up. Snug it in there. Now with those anchors, they come with a metal screw that's designed for those anchors. So we're going to use that metal screw with our bracket. I'm going to line him back up and run the screw there. So once you start screwing it in, that's what you get. Now we're going to run it in, and he's in. Now we'll take our fossil fish plate, we're going to put it back up on here. I want to put another bracket over on this side, and I'm looking for the best place that I can put it. That way when it slides in, we're good. And I'm going to go ahead and take the pencil and mark the corners on this bracket on this side like I did on that side there. Take him back off again. Got my pencil. This is the little marks here. Go ahead and line it up with those marks there. I'm going to mark this circle here, 1/4 inch bit. Drywall anchor there. Same thing, make sure you get it lined up. These will still take that number 2 Phillips bit. It's not a problem. Double check everything, looks great. Then we use their screw that comes in the package. Get it started a little bit. And a little bit of flex there, that's fine. I'll go ahead and add a second screw to that. This is our main support here. The two on the sides are just really catching it from leaning forward. So this guy is going to have to come in from the top down. Okay, we do have some space here. We can go ahead and add some of those felt bumpers from behind it to bring that out a little bit. I have my felt tab bumpers here. in this one, we're just gonna put it like right in the middle where the holes were at for anchoring the hanger. And I'm just kind of pushing this out. That'll hold everything in there real nice. I mean, nothing's gonna knock this fish out. Turned out really nice and looks great.